What's going on, guys? It's Jairaj, and it's time for tech news. Let's begin. Apple has expressed serious interest in TikTok. Not only that, rumors suggest that Microsoft and Google are also thinking to buy TikTok. I would suggest one thing: sell it to Apple if you want to keep it alive. Because Google and Microsoft don't have great track record. iPhone 12 chases rumors to feature a ring of magnet, perhaps for mounting to a new charger accessory. If it's true, it would be great. You won't need to align your phone to use wireless charger. Magnets will do that for you. Android manufacturers need to learn something from Apple. Samsung commits to give 3 years of Android OS update to its flagship devices. I would say that it's great, but don't take 6 or 8 months to give the updates. Microsoft integrates Android apps into Windows 10 with new Your Phone app update. This currently only available for testers. Microsoft, I request you not to keep it exclusive to Samsung devices. Give it to all Android users so that Apple can learn how actual mirroring works. US President Donald Trump bans dealing with Chinese owners of TikTok and WeChat. The ban will go in effect in 45 days. TikTok is shocked by Trump's order, threatening to ban it, and will fight back. I would say that don't do that. Just don't do that, TikTok. Trump is not only one banning apps. Apple has confirmed that it won't allow game streaming service like Microsoft Project xCloud and Google Stadia on iOS App Store. That's because game streaming apps provides access to entire library of title. Each must be reviewed as an app store game on title by title basis. Microsoft says that Apple stands alone as the only general purpose platform to deny access to other game subscription service. This would one more reason to mark Apple to force its customer to use its own service. Intel suffers massive data breach of 20 GB source code, developer tools, and much more. Intel believes that info was swiped from company's research and design center, a portal used for partners. Intel doesn't seem to be particularly concerned about leak, given that most of data is out of date. Reports are coming that Google is working on folding Pixel phone for 2021. Please Google, slap a big battery on it and faster charging, maybe quick charge 5, then it would stand out from competition. Google is going to provide free digital tools through G Suite for education to 2.3 crore teachers and students across Maharashtra state. Acer launched Aspire 5 Magic for 38,000 Indian rupees or about 500 US dollar with i3 10th generation processor, 11 hours of battery. This time Asus has kept awesome pricing. If Asus sends us the unit, we would like to review it. YouTube removed 2,500 YouTube channels between April to June, which were linked to China. Google released Pin Protect Safe folder in its File app. Now, no more installing third party file managers to protect your files. iQOO will launch iQOO 5 in China. Main highlight of this phone is 120 watt of charging. Let's see how efficient it is. Google launched Pixel 4a, but it will be shipped on August 20. I like its specs and pricing. Xiaomi's new crazy patent shows removable display. This patent will be great for Apple. Then Apple can say, buy this phone and displays are sold separately. Upcoming Marvel's Avengers game will get Spider-Man as playable character, but only on PlayStation. If you want to use Spidey, then you must buy PlayStation or wait for some person on internet to make a mode for the game. GeForce Now lets you sync your Steam library so that you can see all your supported games, but note that it's not automatic sync. You need to sync it manually when you add a new game to your library. If you want to check how to use GFN, even if your region isn't available in it, then check out this video I made showing how to use GFN. Scientists are working on artificial skin that can sense touch, inspired from Star Wars. That means now we can have robots with human-like touch sensation, and one more step closer to AI domination. Netflix will give playback speed on Android. It will be coming to web and iOS in upcoming updates. And Netflix releases Hindi app language. If you like to use app in Hindi, then you can use it. In Twitter Bitcoin hack, a 17-year-old boy is caught, and two more guys aged 19 and 22 are also caught. 17-year-old Twitter boy was previously caught for Bitcoin related case, but he was not charged because of being underage. In today's world, a single person or group of two to three people can hack to become rich. Don't do that, kids. It's bad. Instead of that, work hard, do whatever you want, like becoming white hat hacker or anything you want. Epic Game Store has finally added support for achievements and user created mod, but it's not completely implemented in all supported games. Let's see when this happens. Google released Android 11 Beta 3 with bug fixes and some changes. If you want to check out more about it, check this video made from in-depth tech review on Android 11 Beta 3. If you like to play old games, then it's great news for you. Quake is free on Bethesda launcher while QuakeCon at home. It's 24 years old game. Heck, that means it's even older than me. And after event is over, you will be able to claim Quake 2 and Quake 3. Internet got Paytm to change its name to Binod, and we have peaked as meme nation. Not only that, Binod is trending on Twitter and was spammed in many YouTubers comment. This meme was created by channel name Slaypoint in this video. If you want to know why it's trending, then my friend Abhishek Sagar made video explaining it. NASA released weird shape of solar system. It's heliosphere of our solar system, but it looks bit weird. Reports are coming that Japan's giant Gundam robot is nearly finished in making. Imagine one day we might be seeing this kind of robot working around us. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to JD Tech Link. Don't forget, I am going to bring more interesting news like this every week.